I'm going to show you in this video how to use SkySafari to get a view of the stars that are always in your sky. So those bright stars that are circumpolar, they are the ones that never set. And what I've got here is a standard screenshot. So I'm going to show you how from this point you can get to see exactly the brightest stars in your sky. So let's do it. First of all, I'm going to search. So click on search, and I want to put Polaris in that box. That's the star, that's the North Star, the Pole Star, the one which is closest to the North Celestial Pole. So I'm going to go search, and I'm going to select it, that Polaris Alpha Ursa Minoris, that one, and then I'm going to press center. So that has put Polaris slap bang in the center of my screen. Now there's a lot of sky in the screen, including the zenith at the top, and not all of that sky is circumpolar. The bit that is circumpolar is the distance between the North Celestial Pole and your horizon, so where it says N on the horizon. That is the radius of your circumpolar circle. Hopefully that makes sense. I've drawn the circle on the screen to show you what that looks like. What we need to do now is two things. One, make it fill the screen as much as we can. And two, remove all the stars that we can't see in an urban sky. So first one, I'm going to press the plus symbol on the right hand corner. And I'm going to zoom in to the point just where the horizon is visible. So now I've got the North Celestial Pole in the center of my screen. I've got the horizon right at the bottom. And the top of the screen is exactly where my circumpolar region finishes. The next thing I'm going to do is change the sky so I can only see the brightest stars. So to do that, I'm going to go to settings, and I've selected stars, and now I want to select magnitude limit, and I will put that down to 4 just to be on the safe side. You may well see more if you've got darker sky, but 4 will be fine. Click done. Now, those are all the stars that you can see all year round, any hour of the day, any time of the night, any month of the year. Those ones are the ones that are always going to be in your view. And to demonstrate that, you don't need to do this yourself, but to demonstrate that, what I'm going to do is just move on an hour at a time. And you'll see they just keep going around the screen. They never leave the screen. So those stars are always with you. And I can change that to month and just move the months on. And you see they just keep going around the screen. Now, yes, some of them get low on the horizon, but they also get quite high above the horizon as well. So these are great stars for you to use and base your observations on, as a starting point at least, whenever you are outside.